5 animals with defense skills from sci-fi. These animals feel like they were designed in a lab. Real-life superpowers. Nature equals best engineer. 1. Glasswing butterfly. Its wings are completely transparent, almost invisible in flight. 2. Flying squid. Escapes predators by shooting out of the ocean and gliding. 3. Tree kangaroo. Jumps 30 feet from trees without injury. 4. Hagfish. Releases slime that clogs the gills of predators. Suffocating shield. 5. Giant African millipede. Releases cyanide when touched. Yes, cyanide. If animals had an Avengers team, these would be on it. Comment final boss if you loved this series. Like and subscribe for more.